Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Let's start by looking at this organization chart with photos. For each position, the job title, name and photo are displayed. And just by changing the name, the photo updates automatically. Actually, you can easily create the same one using Google Sheets. Today, I show you how to create this photo-integrated organization chart using just one function and a few simple settings. This organization chart is much clearer with photo integration, quick to make updates when changes happen, and perfect for visualizing company structure. Now let's dive in! First, let's make some preparations. We will need these three things. 1. Employee picture. 2. Employee master list in Google Sheets that includes names and photos. 3. And set up XLOOKUP function for automatic updates. With these, you are all set. Next, we can start to create the employee master list. Now you open Google Sheets and start by creating an employee master list. Enter name in cell A1 and photo in cell B1. Enter the name starting from cell A2 downwards. Add photos below B2. Here's a very important point. From the Insert menu, select Image and then choose Insert Image in Cell. Please note that if you select Insert Image over Cell, the image data cannot be referenced. Adjust the width of column B to make the cells appear square. Now the master list is ready. Create the org chart. Let's create another new sheet. We'll name it org chart. In the first row, enter the text org chart. Also make the entire column a bit wider and the rows a bit taller. We create frames for the job title, name and photo. The structure will be photo on the left, job title on the top right, and name on the bottom right. We also want to add lines connecting the job titles to represent the organizational connection with lines. Now let's copy these frames to match the company's organization chart. Here we go. The frames are complete. Next, we'll enter the job titles such as CEO, CFO, and others. First, we'll enter the names. The key point here is to make the names selectable. It is convenient to refer to the employee master we created earlier and make it able to select from a drop-down list. From the Data menu, select the Data Validation and click Press Add Row. In the Criteria section, select Drop-down from a range. Click the square mark below and select the range. And here we select from the employee list we created earlier. Now you can select employee names from a drop-down list. If employees join or leave the company, you can simply change this master, and the options in the organization chart will also change, which is very convenient. Now let's see how to automatically display photos. Here's the key. By using the XLOOKUP function, you can automatically display photos corresponding to names. This is very useful. In this case, you can set up the formula as XLOOKUP, name, column containing names, column containing photos. When selecting columns, don't forget to click F4 to enclose them with dollar marks. Now photos will be displayed automatically just by selecting names. Just copy and paste and you are all set. Adjust the layout. Now let's define the appearance. Center align the titles and names, and draw lines from the title and name boxes to make it look like an organization chart. Additionally, hiding the grid lines will create a cleaner look. Finally, let's try changing the names. You'll see the photos change automatically as well. With this, you've completed the ultimate organization chart that's easy to maintain. How was that? With Google Sheets, creating and managing organization chart is super easy. It is much clearer with photo integration, quick to make updates when changes happen, and most importantly, perfect for visualizing company structure. Try this in your company from today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!